Good morning, guys, or good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time you're watching. But it is, I think it's March, oh, it's April 1st, you guys. April 1st here. And I'm gonna open up shop for the contractors to come in, or the plumbers to come in. Alright, I'm gonna go help the girls with the embroidery shop with a few jobs that we've got to get done. And so, yeah, hoping the plumbers and stuff get that all done here today. You know, the venting and stuff. So, it's a lot of work to do, you guys. A lot of work to do. And so, they did come pick up all the scrap metal. We could have scrapped it ourselves, but my time was more valuable than them scrap metal, so we didn't. So yeah, good morning. Take you guys back here to the shop, show you what is going on with the water. Water has resided. It was up to here. As you can see, it went down a few feet. Man, it was up to, almost went into our shop, but it didn't. So I'm glad it's going down. And now we can see our grappler over there. So, going down slowly. So yeah. That is what is happening here at the shop. It's freezing. Freezing. We got a lot of emails.
Yeah, I seen that. Can I manually go in and put that in then? When I do their payroll?
Yeah, should be able to. Should figure it out, right?
Huh?
You should figure it out.
Then it should figure out that.
Okay. What do we got going on? Morning. Looks good. Alright guys, so we are here at the shop this morning. The gals are just going at it. We got to get this shirt done here. Brittany's running some hats. Food pot. somewhere. Right down there on the thing. Alright. Good looking.
That's so weird.
Good. That looks good. Alright. So the gals are finishing. Working on the vinyls. Pretty tough. Did it cut easier on the Husky?
Yeah.
Okay. So if it doesn't cut too much, just turn that up.
Will do.
You can turn that pen force on there.
Okay.
I started out vlogging today. My plan was to come open this place up and then go down to the shop and stuff. I did for a little bit. Got going and just got off track. I wanted to give you guys an update here of what's going on. So today we got the vents. Okay, vents. I like these. Look at that. Looks nice and fresh, doesn't it? Vents. One over here. One right in the entrance. One down there. One over there. One over there. There won't be a center one since it's going to be pulling in. I think that was their plan. So I think it should disperse pretty nice. Disperse pretty nice with it should cool evenly and heat evenly. And so that vent has to be covered up. We don't want any draft coming in. That used to be exhaust vent there. And so we got a lot done today. Plumbers did come cap that. One on that side still got to cut that though. They still got to cut that. Had the electrician in here to get us some numbers for lightings and stuff and see what they can do. Changing all that. Right now, you guys, all of these lights are LED. They've been converted to LEDs. Those bulbs, they don't look LED, but they are LEDs. And so all that's LED that's in here. These back ones aren't yet, so these are going to get converted to LEDs. Except that one, that's going to be taken out because this is going to be closed up. That's going to be LED. And then I'm putting three 8-footers out there above the overhang on the outside part of the laundromat, LED. So get some light, you know, during the nighttime. When we got this wall out, and then we've got a couple more boards that we got to put up. Ran out of boards today. And right here, as you walk, that's going to get covered up on top, but this is going to be the Daily Hustle logo right in the center, dead center there. Talked to our sign guy, and so we're going to come up with a plan for that. And the door is going to be, hopefully, we got to patch this up too. That's an old money machine. The new one they already took. And so we're going to, the door came today, but we weren't ready to put the door in yet. So we got a 6-foot door, as I explained yesterday. We're making progress, guys. We're making progress. Yeah, making progress. You can see. Yep. So my plan was to go over to the embroidery shop and vlog over there, but I got there, I was busy working. I got a little footage here and there, but nothing too exciting. Don't forget, we got the 2019 Daily Hustle Midwest Tour, sponsored by Bobcat Moores hats right here. So I'll put the tour date and location down below in the description later.